Welcome to Masterstroke. In this video, we will learn how to use limited period SIP goal planning calculator. The purpose of this calculator is many times a client wants to save for retirement or children education or marriage expenses planning or wealth creation in the long term, but they are not comfortable to invest for long term. They want a scheme, an option, a process where they can invest only for 5 years and 10 years, and then they can leave that money for a long period of time to achieve the goal. For example, if you propose a client that you have to invest 50,000 rupees for 25 years, they may not be comfortable. But if you give them an option that if you increase your SIP from 50 to 70,000, you have to do SIP only for 10 years, they become very interested. This calculator will address that. Let's say the client wants to save 3 crore rupees after 25 years, but they are interested to do SIP only for 10 years, limited period SIP for 10 years, and then they want to hold their investment for 15 years. So they want 3 crores after 25 years, investment period of 10 years, and holding period of another 15 years. Expected return, you can give scenario 1 at 10%, and maybe let's say you decide to give scenario 2 at 12%. You can add the client name here. You can add suggested schemes, which we will skip for now, and click on calculate. You can save this report and download and print this report. This is how this report will come like. So the client target is 3 crores after 25 years, 10 years of SIP period and 15 years thereafter for deferment. Monthly SIP required for 10 years is 35,000 in scenario 1 and 24,000 rupees in scenario 2. Total investment required is 42 lakh rupees and 29 lakh rupees in scenario 1 and scenario 2. And this is the cash flow. You see the client is investing only for 10 years. After 10 years, the portfolio value in scenario 1 becomes 71 lakh rupees. And then he holds this 71 lakh rupees for another 15 years and he gets 3 crores. Similarly, in scenario 2, 54 lakh rupees is accumulated, which becomes 3 crores at the rate of 12%. This is a very powerful calculator and tool for you to approach the client. Multiple objectives are achieved. The client invests for shorter period of time and you get a higher amount of SIP input value, which enhances your AUM and growth. The client is comfortable because he thinks he doesn't have to invest for 25 years because he may not be sure of his income going forward. So this calculator will help you to increase your AUM, limited period SIP proposal for the client to achieve a future goal. Thank you so much.